Next one is that, can we use artificial intelligence tools or AI tools to create the captions of the brand voice? Yes, this is one of the AI tools that I recommend because it has the options of variety of brand voice. So I use Writer AI, so RYTR AI. So you can just type it in the Google and then log in using your Gmail. After this, you will see this interface. So in the interface basically is very simple. Number one is that you can choose the language, whether it is English or any other language, and you can select the tones of voice. Okay, so they're funny, engaging, and etc. like the previous one that I told you. And then you can choose whether it is for the caption ideas, whether it is for the content writings, and many types of the digital writings that are necessary or demanding right now. And after that, what you need to do is that please focus on the post topic sections. In this context, you try to put the keywords what you are going to make. For example, in the Starbucks case, I want to make the captions that focusing on calling to actions to buy Starbucks in the context of party, in the context of office. Now, here the Writer AI will give you a 3 variants. It has maximum 5 variants, and after that you can choose which one. After that, you have already filled in, then click Write for me. Then we have, ta-da, these options of captions that you can directly use to your social media captions. However, one thing that you should remember is that do not just copy and paste. Read again whether it fits to your brand voice. Is there any things or any words or phrases that you need to adjust so that it is not just a copy paste, so it's called as a robotic content, but it should be engaging contents. Okay, so you can try to make your Writer AI tools accounts in your Googles. Okay, right. Next one, we're going to talk about brand experience. So brand experience is not coming from the perspective of the owners, but it is the perspective of the customers. How the customer get the overall impressions toward the use of the brands through the interaction. So this overall impression of the customer has the brand through every interactions, from the product usage to the customer service. I give the example of the brand experience of Apple Incorporated. So Apple focuses on creating seamless and premium experience across all touch points, from their retail stores to their product design and also customer supports. Apple also has created a very loyal customer base by focusing on the user experience. Okay. Next one is that the brand positionings. Brand positioning refers to how the brand is perceived in the mind of the customer, especially in what are actually the advantages, the strengths, what make it different to other brands. So for example, here, when we talk about Novotels hotels, the international brands under Accor groups, the brand positioning is that it is for mid-scale comfort and balance. It is for family-friendly focus. It is for modern and functional design. And the last one is the sustainability. Hotel that concern on the sustainability.
Javier, Paris es mágico y tú eres aún más, el flaco. Necesitamos esta combinación mágica en mi carta para descubrir más de quién eres.
Novotel entiende mi estilo de vida, mejor que nadie, para equilibrar trabajo y vida familiar. Los invito a descubrir el verdadero Javier, un hombre, un padre, un exfutbolista. Yakarta es una ciudad de luces, igual que París. El lugar perfecto para mi legendary room, que los llevará directo al Parc des Princes. Mi camiseta preferida, la mejor de todas. Mi primera vez en el Parc des Princes, increíble e inolvidable. La próxima habitación, dejaré un verdadero tití parisien que la presente en un país donde fue un pionero. No te lo pierdas y descúbrelos pronto.
Okay, this is almost the last one. The brand narrative. Brand narrative explains the brand's origins, values, and also the journeys. So it talks about the histories, it talks about maybe the missions of the founders, how the founders made and create this idea. Let's take a look at this brand's very delicious and tempting Kopi Kenangan brands from Indonesia. So Kopi Kenangan brand story is all about democratizing quality of coffee, how to get the good quality coffee with relatively affordable price, and tapping into Indonesian nostalgia and culture, because Kenangan means a memory, so it relates to the nostalgia of the people. And then it is also leveraging technology for efficiency and scale, because Kopi Kenangan also prepared the IT support for the customer service.
Kalian tahu kan, banyak banget quote tentang kopi. Dari yang mellow sampai yang happy, dari yang filosofis sampai yang jayus. Mungkin karena banyaknya kenangan yang muncul dari secangkir kopi. Buat gue, kopi adalah segalanya. Gue hidup dari gelas demi gelas kopi yang gue buat. Gue juga tersenyum dari kenangan demi kenangan yang muncul dari gelas-gelas itu. Bisa dibilang, bikin kopi dan tersenyum udah jadi rutinitas gue sehari-hari. Tapi, gue sering bertanya-tanya, mungkin gak sih gue bikin lebih banyak cerita? Mungkin gak sih gue berbagi lebih banyak kenangan untuk lebih banyak orang di luar gerai ini? Menurut gue, kita nggak perlu jadi superhero atau konglomerat untuk berbuat baik. Kita hanya perlu melihat apa yang bisa kita lakukan untuk membuat sekeliling kita jadi lebih baik. Kopi adalah dunia gue, air adalah kehidupan gue. Tanpa air, sebuah pohon kopi nggak bakal tumbuh dan berbuah. Tanpa air, nggak akan ada segelas Americano. Gue nggak pengen jadi orang yang pelit ilmu. Gue sadar, tanpa dukungan orang-orang yang punya semangat berbagi, gue nggak akan bisa seperti sekarang ini. Jika berbagi ilmu bikin kopi bisa bikin orang lain bahagia, kenapa enggak? Gue juga percaya, sebuah langkah kecil untuk bikin perubahan berarti lebih banyak dibandingkan ratusan slogan klise. Gue percaya, baik pembuat kopi maupun penikmat kopi punya tanggung jawab yang sama terhadap planet ini. Setiap langkah kecil dan konkret yang kita lakukan bersama bisa jadi butterfly effect buat rumah kita yang bernama bumi ini. Buat gue, mencintai pekerjaan ini berarti juga mencintai orang-orang yang ada di dalamnya, dalam peran apapun.
KKIBC is only the first step, and it is the perfect opening to the leadership conference.
Hey! Dan inilah dia pemenang dari Kenangan Barista Championship Adit.
Gue pengen dengan kapal besar yang gue naikin ini, kita bersama-sama merasakan kebahagiaan dari usaha kita berbagi kenangan kepada banyak orang. Pada akhirnya, kopi itu sederhana. Dari segelas kopi, kita bisa berbagi kenangan. Kenangan baik untuk semua orang.
And the last one is that, of course, celebrating the local prides. Okay, so this is the last one that we are going to talk in this video, is that brand visual identity. So brand visual identity usually consists of the brand name itself as the formal identifier. So for example, here the brands of the coffee, we have Kopi Tuku that's famous now in Jakarta, Kopi Kenangan, For Cafe, Point Cafe, and Kopi Janji Jiwa. Then we also have a tagline or a slogan that is short and memorable phrase like in Nike, just do it, in McDonald's, I'm loving it, or in Indonesia, apapun makanannya, minumnya, teh botol sosro, and things like that. Okay, and then we also have the logo as visual symbols, typography, or call as the voice, the choice of fonts. And the last one is that color compositions are the brand's color palettes. So as social media writers, you will be also involved in the compositions of the designs, then be aware of these color palettes. Do not make it too far. And also the typography, which kind of fonts are allowed or not allowed, that's still in line with the overall designs. All right, so this is the end of the video for today. But I give you the last one, the AI reference for this. If you want to get inspiration from brand name, use the AI called design.com and Nemlix. If you're still confused about the slogan and tagline of a brand when you make the new one, try Shopify or Design Hills. If it is about the logo, try Wix.com or logoai.com. If you're confused about the typography, use Tascade.com. If you want to get the reference about the color composition, use Cool, Lars, and Canva for your reference. After that, if it is a serious brand, you can use this as reference only and go for a designers for the more professional one. This is the end of the video. We will see you later in the next topics. Bye.